area that the CDU is in and this property is in is probably in the worst part of Sacramento. So we're going to check up on one of our properties right now that we're building 2 ADUs. Those 2 small ADUs is still 2 units, so we'll bring in pretty good income. The area that the CDU is in and this property is in is probably in the worst part of Sacramento in terms of, I don't know, just the neighborhood just looks bad. However, we have a model, shit to gold, and this is one of them. So let's take a look at the progression. We got into contract with the builder mid-May. Right now we're sitting at the end of June, so let's see, how far he's gone, and I'm excited to see it. Duplex that we purchased, building 2 more units in the back. Alright guys, so we're looking at the almost finished product. Before, when you guys first saw this, it's just empty land. Now we have the ADUs built and we're essentially completed building the units. What we're waiting for right now is basically a 4-unit electric panel. This panel we ordered months ago, but there are supply chain issues where this panel is just not available in the United States. So we are just sitting on our hands and waiting for the panel. Without it, we cannot pass final inspection. Without passing final inspection, we cannot rent out the units. Therefore, the unit is essentially incomplete until we get this freaking electric panel. Okay, so let's talk about the numbers. These are all estimates. We'll provide you guys with the final numbers after we have 100% complete the units. But essentially, you purchase a property for around $240,000. We've spent around $200,000 building, permitting the ADUs. So total is around $450K. However, I feel that we can sell or exit this property around $600,000 to $650,000. Okay, so we spent around $200K building the ADUs, and we're making about $200,000. Okay, that's not including the down payment that we spent to purchase the property. I'm just strictly looking at the value add portion. We spent $200K, we're making additional $200K. All right guys, so stay tuned. We will make another video once we finish the ADU and give you guys the exact numbers so you guys can see actual figures that is true to our times. I think that's very important because something that worked or figures you might see online a month, 2 months ago, that is so far out of the ballpark. It is no longer the same because interest rates went up, everything is so much more expensive. Pricing for homes are coming down, so I'm excited to actually share with you guys our metrics on this. All right, so see you guys next time.